Hi everybody, it's Miriam, founder of the Inspire Academy and the Inspire Academy Online. Today will be our first video released, and what we do at Inspire Academy Online and the Inspire Academy is we teach languages with coaching. And so today is the first English coaching video that I'm doing, and it's all about introducing yourself. Okay, in English, how to introduce yourself. And what we do is with Inspire Academy Online, we coach you so that you learn English in a positive way and that you have confidence. And we also assist you with your projects in English. So if you need help creating a presentation or writing certain emails or creating your own business or website in English, and just also like conversation skills, where you develop like confidence and real interpersonal skills in English, that's what we coach you on. And it's usually us listening and gently correcting you and you having the opportunity to speak. So that's what English coaching is with Inspire Academy Online.